That's all.
Okay. So this is the second situation under average method. The situation that I want to discuss is, if suppose a partner is going to do the drawings which are going to be made in the middle of each month. In the middle of each month. Previously what I have discussed is, if the drawings were made at the beginning of each month, that is first situation, I have already discussed that one. Second situation is, if the drawings were made in the middle of each month. The equation remains the same. If you go through the problem of Mr. Manohar, what they have given is, Mr. Manohar withdrew rupees 2000 in the middle of each month. The partnership deed provides for charging the interest on drawings at the rate 12% per annum. Calculate interest on Manohar's drawings for the year ending 31st December 2017. That is why the equation remains same. What I have written here is interest of Mr. Manohar. The equation is total drawings into rate into average period divided by 12. Okay. Total drawings means drawings per month into 12 months. How many drawings that he has made per month? Mr. Manohar withdrew rupees 2000 in the middle of each month. So that is why rupees 2000 per month into 12 months I will write. Into rate is, they have given clearly 12% in the sense 12 divided by 100 into what is average period? Average period in the sense longest period plus shortest period divided by 2. What is the longest period here? Longest period here will be the 11 1 by 2. 11 1 by 2, that is 11 and a half months. That is the longest period. And what is the shortest period? Half months. Half months will be shortest period divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay? And the whole is divided by 12 months. Whole is divided by 12 months. So here what I have written is longest period as the 11 and a half months. Here longest period. Longest period, that is 11 and a half months. Why? Because that is from which month he has started making the drawings? From the middle of the month of January, that is 15th Jan 2017 to 31st January 2017. It will be 11 and a half months. He has started drawings in the middle of the month. The middle of the month in the sense, the first month middle will be the 15th Jan 2017 to last drawings will be made on the 31st December 2017. That is the longest period, we can say. And what about the shortest period? Shortest period in the sense, shortest period here will be only half months. Half months. Why? Because from the January he has started doing the drawings, making the drawings, and the 11th month will be end by 15th December. 15th December, that is why 15th December 2017. 15th December 2017 to 31st December 2017 will be the half months. Why? Because shortest period in the sense last month's drawing till end of the accounting period. That is why last he has drawn in the month of the December only, 15 December 2017 up to 31st December 2017. Those will be the half months. That is why if we are going to simplify, what we will get? 24,000 into 12 divided by 100 into 11 and half plus half means 12. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 into divided by 12 means 1 divided by 12 only. 1 divided by 12. That is why if you are going to simplify 24,000 into 12 divided by 100 into 12 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 12, your answer should be rupees 1,440 will be the interest to be charged on the Manohar drawings. So this ends with the situation number 2, that is if the drawings were made in the middle of the each month. Okay, thank you.